Uway urang ialeh kai cricket bekerteng ula khansing, bami khmat yakijala Meghalaya Shakaranji Trophy, ula Shah shoh hakakinhun kirunar nin kamiet sibalang hakathany Anjali petrol pump Shillong. Ula khan hababata yakini jingjia, ula pentip bakani jingjia kala jia hakapor budang dan halinti benet chelaying hajalu para. Henry habapoy hakathany Anjali, kaway kakali Maruti Celerio badan number ML05AA 0381, kala khanglinti ya u bat kibriu kila hirna kani kakali bat shoh bet ya u. Upintip begini kirunar kidai ki belabu at kiat, bat kila berngem bersitu ya u ban leer ka beting Uni orang ialeh kai ka Meghalaya, ula mensaw lagi benta ka khmut bat ka shentur. Ula khan ula li ujor ya ke hajar hakanton men bid house persha ya kini kinong thambor, habadawaru ya ki pulit bakin kem mardor ya kini kirunar.
All of them were locals only because the way they were talking in Khasi, I knew that yeah, they are from here only, and I can recognize if they come in front of me. I will be able to recognize them. I have submitted an FIR in the police station cantonment beat house. So they said, okay, we'll look after that. We'll take an action immediately as soon as possible. We'll get the car and then we'll take an action. The car was Celerio. It was Celerio. The number was ML05AA 0381. And in the car there was only one person, the driver, a fatty guy. He was fat. He stopped me, he started talking, and then rest of the guys came from the other side, from behind and all. They came and they started charging me. They all were drunk, totally drunk. They all were totally drunk, and without no reason, nothing. I don't know what was my fault. I didn't say anything. I was going on my way. I didn't talk to them, nothing. They stopped me and they started harassing me and they assaulted me also. Also were not there, but other pedestrians were there when they charged me when I ran, and they helped me out with washing my face, and all the blood was coming out from my lips and all. They helped me, they brought water, they cleaned up, and they helped me to search my slippers and all. Everything was there only. I ran barefooted till the beat house, cantonment beat house. So I went there, and then I filed a complaint, and they took me for the medical and all. They did the medical and all, everything. And after that they said that okay, we'll take an action, we'll search. And they have searched the vehicle also, online registration they have seen, and the phone number was given there. They are calling that number, but the guy is saying that this number is mine but the vehicle is not mine. So I hope so police gets them as soon as possible.